Joining us now is Brinker International CEO Wyman Roberts. Good to have you this morning, Mr. Roberts. You know, obviously, your investors are quite happy given the performance of the company over the last year. But I am curious. Let's start off, though, with a lot of people's questions these days, which is the labor market. I think you've said it's one of the toughest you've ever experienced. Give us some sense as to why that's the case.
Well, I mean, the good news, David, is it's tough because with the vaccines, the stimulus, and then it all hitting at kind of spring break, a real high volume time period for the industry, sales just took off. So the good news is we had great sales momentum in the industry, specifically, you know, with us, we ended April up over 10% in sales and traffic. So there was a real demand for more teamwork, team members, and that pushed the system. The good news is we set a goal to hire an additional 10,000 team members in a 10-week period. We've surpassed that. We've hired over 15,000 now. So the good news on the labor front is the supply is kind of meeting the demand now. We've got some work to do to get everybody trained and get everybody working efficiently, but you know, those are short-term challenges for us, and we're optimistic about our ability to kind of move forward as we enter into the summer, and we're just really more excited about the growth opportunities and what we're seeing with regard to sales, pre-pandemic levels being beaten, as well as moving forward.
And obviously want to talk a bit more about that, but just to come back to you on your ability to actually meet your goals in terms of hiring, were you surprised? You know, we've had any number of CEOs and somewhat similar businesses, Wyman, that complain that they really are having a very hard time, but you managed to meet your goals. Why?
Well, I think this is where scale can help. We've got an amazing people works department. We did have to, you know, kind of enter into some new areas in terms of how do we recruit and how do we retain these team members, and we made some investments in that. You know, it's a unique period of time for the industry, for the country, right? With a lot of people still unemployed, and yet a fairly robust economy. So we put a lot of things in place that helped us recruit at a level that we haven't had to go to in the past, and that's what we did. And now we still have some spot challenges. Some markets are a little tighter than others, but overall we feel pretty good about our ability now to be staffed and to be ready to deal with the increase in sales, which again is the bright spot here, is that sales are looking good.
Wyman, it's Morgan. Given the CDC guidance last week, how are you handling masks, social distancing, and will we see a rollback in those protocols? What will that look like post-pandemic now?
Yeah, Morgan, that's kind of been the topic of the day for us the last few days. First, just to reiterate, you know, with the pandemic, from the very start, our goal was to keep our team members and our guests safe. And we did that, I think, at an industry-leading level. We took guidance from the CDC and any state guidance, and we met or exceeded it. We're excited about what the CDC's come out with for two reasons. One, again, more incentive to get people vaccinated is something we get totally behind. We've been encouraging and incenting our team members to get vaccinated. And so we are getting behind the CDC. We are telling our team members, listen, if you've been fully vaccinated, you can take your mask off. And that's a big incentive for especially people working in a kitchen environment where it's hot. Wearing a mask all the time isn't necessarily that pleasant. So we're excited about anything we can do and get behind to incent people to get vaccinated. We think a vaccinated workplace is the safest workplace, and that's our total goal. And so we're thrilled to be able to offer that to our team members, and we've rolled that out to them just as we speak yesterday. And so that's rolling through the system today.
Given the focus on commodity and food prices and the increases we've seen there more broadly, how are you managing that, and what does that mean in terms of pricing power to consumers who come into your restaurants?
Well, I mean, again, this is where our scale and the quality of our teams come into play. Obviously, just like with the labor situation, there have been some unusual situations happening with supply chain and commodities over the last few months. We think they're more temporary. We still see our long-term outlook being low single-digit inflation, very manageable. We haven't priced hardly at all through the pandemic, so we've kept a lot of dry powder, if you will, from a pricing perspective. We've really been focusing on a strong value proposition and driving traffic, and we've been industry leading on the traffic side of that. So we feel we have plenty of room manage our margins and to deal with any commodity or inflationary pressures that we see today. Again, what we've experienced over the last few months seems to be more of a transitional experience, and we think we're already starting to see things kind of smooth out as we work our way through some of the challenges of the early spring.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.